In a hangar at Denver International Airport, this Frontier Airlines plane remains out of service while it's scrubbed from front to back. This is the same aircraft on which Amber Vinson flew from Cleveland back to Dallas before she was diagnosed with the Ebola virus.
This is when the top executives in an airline make their salaries and make their white hair and make a lot of sleepless nights.
Airline analyst Mike Boyd says Frontier is doing the right thing by removing seat covers and carpet near where Vinson sat and by replacing the plane's environmental filters.
It's something you need to do to reassure the public, which means hose the thing down, disinfect it, whatever it is, 2 or 3 times.
Or in this case, 4 times. In a statement, Frontier Airlines CEO David Siegel said these extraordinary actions went beyond Centers for Disease Control recommendations. These steps were taken out of concern for the safety of our customers and employees.
I do think they're going way above and beyond what they need to.
The head of infectious diseases at Denver Health Medical Center says those sitting near Vinson on the plane stand little chance of getting Ebola, because while the woman may have had some symptoms, the risk of her transmitting the virus was still low.
Early in the symptom stage, not, any problems with diarrhea, vomiting, or any of those things that would be required to spread the virus.
Out of what it terms an abundance of caution, Frontier Airlines has also placed the 2 pilots and 4 flight attendants who worked Vinson's flight on paid leave for 21 days. That's the incubation period for the Ebola virus. Boyd says the carrier has no choice but to take the plane out of service.
They've been saddled with a situation now where they have to make very public everything they're doing, because otherwise people will say, well, you fly Frontier, there's some diseased people on board.
While some flyers are jittery,
all I'm going to do is sit and not touch.
One doctor says because Ebola doesn't spread through the air and sick patients are highly unlikely to fly, passengers needn't worry.
I would not be worried about flying whatsoever. There's no risk for flying. You're safe on the airplane.
Hendrik, Sybrandy, CCTV, Denver.